Hey guys, so today I'm doing a simple update to the C63, sorry, to the Corvette Z06. When this hits you in the head a couple times because the struts are bad, kind of want to replace them. I'm tired of getting headaches and just kind of propping it up. So I just went on Amazon, got some fresh struts, and going to install them. How hard can it be? I'm thinking this is going to be pretty straightforward. I'm going to undo this clip here, the flat blade, and undo the clip down here, again with a flat blade, pop them off, slide on the new one. So let's see if I can do this with one hand here. So this one here, oh, there goes my screwdriver. Put that up here, watch this. So you do, I got just a small flat blade, I'm gonna turn it, there goes the screwdriver again, pop it out. That should release it. And then guys, I do have this put up here, so I hope this doesn't fall on my head again. And then down here, just get your blade, pop it out, release the tension. I mean, how hard can this be? Pop. Okay, guess not. There it is. There's one. There's two. All right. One hand. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Now, I'm just going to put this back on. So use this, and you do not need to pop out the... I'm actually going to do the bottom one so I can have more room up top. So take this with the hole, pop it on to the pin, and doesn't fit. Come on now, they said it would fit. The holes are different sizes, check it out. No way. No way. All right, it fits. I had it backwards. So this size, here, I'll show you on the new part. This hole there is smaller than the other hole. So it does go on only one way. I had it backwards, so shame on me, operator error. And it's on, it works, it's great, it holds it up. I don't even need the thing. Well, that went too. So got clobbered in the head one last time. But guys, it's not that hard. Little screwdriver. Just got to line it up, make sure you put it the correct way, and you're good to go. So now my hood stays up without hitting me in the head. This is great. So if you like this video, just like seeing me get hurt, get frustrated, whatever. Sometimes it's the simple things and just keeping everything up to date and safe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was short, brief, to the point, but like and subscribe, and I will be working on this some more. So stay tuned for some future videos. Take care, guys.